Hello guys! Recently, I purchased the Oculus Quest 2, and since I wear glasses, I accidentally scratched one of the lenses, so I went online for a solution, where I came across this product. PolyWatch. It's a plastic polish and scratch remover. I tried it out. And as you can see in the video, it worked. It actually removed scratches, especially because this product is made specifically for plastic watch crystals, so it's perfect for this kind of use. This is a great product. I used it to remove the scratches I had on one of my lenses, and it worked, so I recommend it. I saved money I would have had to pay for an Oculus lens replacement. Give it a try.